The Nord CE3 Lite, the second generation of the Chinese manufacturer OnePlus mid-range smartphone series, a product that cost £300 and gave us a positive first impression. Comparing the Nord CE3 Lite to its predecessor, we can particularly see that OnePlus reviewed the design. The model pastel lime color that we may have in a gray version as well. The smartphone's 3 sensors are instead distributed between 2 sizable black circles, forming 2 small bumps on the back. The 108-megapixel wide-angle module is isolated in the first, while the macro and field depth modules are combined in the second. All of this fits neatly into the plastic back, which still has some additional fingerprints and a shiny rendering that mimics glass. Similar to this, the smartphone flat edges have a matching rendering of the metal that is convincing and provides a good grip. Similar to the Nord CE2 Lite, we can also observe the absence of the OnePlus alert slider and the placement of the volume button, unlocking button, and fingerprint sensor on 2 different tranches. A 3.5mm jack audio socket is always located next to a speaker slot on the lower section. Overall, the finishes are excellent, and the phone's light weight of 195 grams makes it a pleasure to hold. Another benefit of the OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite is its 6.72 inches LCD Full HD Plus screen, which is completely flat, has a modest central punch, and has relatively thin side edges. He has a slightly thicker chin than many other models in this price range, but it's not particularly noticeable. The smartphone, on the other hand, suffers from the same gray internal glow problem that drools a little from the screen's edges, while the slab offers an adequate amount of internal brightness, lovely saturated colors, and good contrast despite the lack of OLED technology, an issue that is typical at this price point but is unnoticeable in this model. Above all, we can benefit from this screen's fluidity by using our smartphones quickly. Navigation on the OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite provides a good sense of responsiveness thanks to the 120Hz refresh rate and 8GB of RAM. This is especially true thanks to the lovely animations of Oxygeno's 13.1. Additionally, OnePlus guarantees 2 years of significant Android updates and 3 years of security patches for this model. The same is true for switching between open applications quickly using navigation gestures. Despite being the same processor as the Nord CE2 Lite, none of them seemed overly greedy for the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695. We also value the vibration engine's generally pleasant vibration. However, there are still a few brief jerks in some animations, especially when scrolling through the gallery's images or using the back button. Right now, nothing too serious, but we won't know for sure until we complete our full test. We took advantage of the opportunity to advance our takeover of the OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite. By having a copy of the smartphone at the editorial office, we were able to confirm the functionality of the smartphone battery without this judgment being worth that of our upcoming test, beyond maintaining the 5000 mAh battery from its predecessor. This second model in the Nord CE Lite line doubles its wired load speed with 67 watt thanks to Oppo SuperVO OC technology. In contrast to OnePlus's claim that the smartphone recharged from 0% to 80% in 30 minutes, our model took slightly longer, just over 50 minutes, to reach 20% to 70%. So while it falls short of what the brand sells, it is still acceptable for mid-range. A little bit more expensive than the Nord CE2 Lite from the previous year, the OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite will be sold in UK for £300. Both Amazon and the official OnePlus website currently sell the smartphone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next time.